stop. If you own JP Morgan, you are trading blind. Our AI radar has detected a critical anomaly in the price action, a structural divergence of approximately 20% between market price and fundamental value. This is AI Stock Radar. We don't guess, we calculate. Today's target is JP Morgan, ticker JPM. Analysis date 2025-12-18. Simulation only. Okay, our system scan is initiating. First, we're analyzing the bull case, what we're calling the unassailable fortress. And let me tell you, the data stream coming in is overwhelmingly positive. Let's start with the hard numbers. Net income for Q3 2025 is a staggering $14.4 billion. That's a 12% year-over-year increase, and it just completely crushed consensus estimates. This isn't just a beat, it's a statement of pure financial dominance. Now, look at this, 20% return on tangible common equity. You know, this is a critical metric of capital efficiency. For a bank of this massive scale, a number like this is, well, it's a statistical outlier. It signals a level of profitability that simply defies industry norm. And when we put JPM head-to-head with its peers, the data just confirms its gold standard status. Look at the ROTCE. 20% for JPM, while Bank of America and Wells Fargo are kind of stuck in the 15% range. This isn't just a margin, it's a chasm. JPM is operating in a different class entirely. So what's the engine behind all this dominance? It's technology. You have to understand, JPM isn't just a bank anymore. It's a technology company with a banking license, and it's building an impenetrable competitive advantage. Their annual tech spend is a massive $17 billion. That's larger than the market cap of most regional banks. They're literally engineering their own future. Okay, now we scan for vulnerabilities, because every fortress has a potential weakness. And our AI, it's flagged a ticking fuse. The first warning signal comes directly from the top. The CEO himself is signaling macroeconomic headwinds and persistent risk. Look, when the command center issues a warning like this, you listen. This is not market noise, it's a direct transmission. And the data, it absolutely corroborates the warning. Credit quality is normalizing and costs are on the rise, especially in consumer cards. The system is definitely absorbing stress, but the input pressure is increasing, no doubt about it. And here's the valuation concern, a price-to-book ratio of 2.47. This is a premium valuation, and what it suggests is that the market has priced in absolute perfection. There's zero room for error. You know, the higher the altitude, the thinner the air. This is the financial equivalent. So, this brings us to the core anomaly our AI has detected, the expectation gap. It's the conflict between the company's overwhelming strength on one side and the escalating external risks on the other. Think about it. On one hand, you have the fortress, a company with incredible profitability and a technological moat. On the other, you have the fuse, those macroeconomic headwinds and rising credit costs. And the market, it's paralyzed. It can't decide which narrative to follow. It's trapped in a logic loop between a clear buy signal and a clear sell signal. That right there, that is the expectation. So, our AI has processed these conflicting data streams to calculate the final probability vector. And our systems analysis concludes that JPM shouldn't be treated as just a simple stock. Its resilience, especially in the face of market volatility, means it should really be reclassified as a core portfolio holding. This is a fundamental recategorization of the asset. So, the final verdict. The probability vector points to bullish. The system's ability to absorb risk simply outweighs the current threats. The fortress is designed to withstand the coming storm. Do not let emotions drive your trade. But now the question is for you. Is the market's fear just a temporary glitch, or is the fortress's premium valuation its true vulnerability? We determine our next target based on your requests, so subscribe and comment with the ticker symbol you want our AI to analyze next. We prioritize the most requested stocks. Subscribe to AI Stock Radar for the next detection. Signing off.